Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Muzaffar Hussain and I'm working as an overseas marketing head for JNM Leather Safety Gloves Industries, Pakistan. Our company has been manufacturing all kinds of leather safety gloves and work wears including PPEs since 1992. Today I'm going to discuss about our company introductions and values. Well, the company was started by Mr. Abdul Majid and was well participated by its partners just like myself, Mr. Junaid and Mr. Jamshed. The company is well established with its beautiful building and working structures along with technical manpowers and machineries. We have different sections, just like the export department, import department, HR, logistics, and production departments, just like the tanning, cutting, stitching, and inspections, etc. JNM Leather Safety Gloves Industries got its high-class appreciations throughout the world by providing excellent quality and manpower skills. Our products are 100% safe, hygienic, and there will be no threat to the body at all. The company is being tested under the ISO 9001-2015, MIRTA Control, ISO, SADEX, and SASO organizations. The company is also a verified supplier for Alibaba.com from the last 8 years. Staff is too friendly, highly experienced, and is available 24 hours for our customers to serve them more efficiently. Being a most trustable company in all around the world, we believe in close and trustable relationships with our customers. At this platform, we will provide you one of the most valuable information about the PPE business. So let's join our community and subscribe our channel to get the further information about the raw materials and manufacturing techniques for different kinds of leather safety gloves and the PPEs.